Ms. Mackenzie. I'm obviously not at the open house right now, so I'm making this video kind of in place of my presence, just to introduce myself to families. Like I said, my name is Miss Mackenzie. This is my third year of teaching, but my first at Waverly. I'm super excited to be here. I'm teaching biology and earth space science. Some things I left for you. I left a copy of the syllabus if you would like to take one. Your student should already have a copy, and there's also a copy posted on our Google Classroom. It's got my contact info on there, so if you ever need to reach me, that's there. You could also find that on the school website. The best way to reach me is probably my email. I try to respond as quick as possible. I love connecting with parents and families. So please reach out at any time. Never hesitate to contact me. I will always do my best to help. And I would love for you to be involved in our class. So one opportunity I have that I'll just put on your radar right now, which I will send another formal email about probably in the next few coming days. But I always invite parents and families to be guest speakers in our class. In the past, I found it's a really, really cool opportunity to connect with the community, and I find it's really engaging for students as well. So what I am looking for speakers about is how do you use science in your adult life? So this could be cooking and baking. It could be something like gardening, another hobby you have, or maybe even your career. Maybe you're a professional scientist or you work in the healthcare field. Any of those or something else entirely. I would love for you to come and speak. Last year I had someone come talk about making candy as a way that she uses science as an adult. And the kids loved it and it was super exciting. Even if you think maybe it's not for you, consider it. We would love to have you. I can help you come up with exactly what you want to say. You can speak, you can make a video, you can do whatever makes sense for you. But I would love to have parents and families involved in our class as much as possible. So consider it. If you have an idea, feel free to send me an email. Again, I'll probably be sending out a formal email in the next few days anyways, so you could respond to that when it comes out. But I look forward to continuing to get to know your child this year. They've been wonderful so far. I'm super impressed with the students here at Waverly, and I look forward to getting to know the families as well. Thank you. Bye.